I'm Dustin Fox. I'm an alumni from Heartland Community College from the Renewable Energy program, and I'm currently a reliability engineer for battery. The program set me up perfectly due to its culmination of in-field work and in-classroom work. The faculty here is extremely knowledgeable. It really invited creativity and asking questions and kind of zoom out to get a different perspective on what you're learning and why. The technology on campus that you will see is excellent. I've seen a lot of it in the field, but it really gives you the foundation work of how you can troubleshoot and address these problems. When I exited the program, I had a firm belief on what I should be doing and what I love to do. The industry hasn't even reached its peak yet. It's only going to explode from here. The Renewable Energy program is on the cutting edge of a newly emerging industry, and it will easily get your foot in the door on knowledge that's not accessibly taught yet in the industry.